Hi, it's Howie with Fall Protection Distributors. I want to do a quick unboxing of the 8-piece Contractor pack. So with the Contractor pack, you get 8 packs of Nylon Tip Set Screws. These could be used on 22 or 24 gauge steel. These torque from 180 to 200 inch-pounds. The anchor itself is going to come preloaded with Cup Tip Set Screws. These torque to 90 inch-pounds. It's a low torque screw. At 90 inch-pounds, these are intended for 22 gauge steel. You're going to get the D-ring already mounted on top. These are 9/16 bolts. You're going to get a 3/16 Allen bit for each anchor. So you get 8 Allen bits, 8 packs of nylon, 8 packs of cup tip, 8 anchors. You're going to get 8 instruction manuals, very important, and 8 manuals for the D-rings. And right now we are including our $50 torque wrench kit. So it's a twist handle torque wrench. You just set that to 90 inch-pounds. And that includes the 3/16 Allen bit you're going to need to turn the set screws. So one thing to keep in mind on this, when you're dealing with the set screws, with this bit, this goes into your screw gun. Very important. You want to use only a screw gun. Avoid using an impact gun that can quickly over tighten the set screws. And with the screw gun, when we use those around the shop here for assembly, we use these with the clutch setting about midway. That way we're never over torquing these set screws and damaging the anchor. So in the future, if you need 10-foot walkboards, you can add the SSRA 2 roof jack adapters on top of the anchors. You remove the D-rings. Those adapters mount right on top of these, and that allows you to put 10-foot walkboards on standing seam roofs without penetrations. And then another adapter plate is the SSRA 3 anchor plate. That mounts on top of 2 SSRA 1s. It adjusts from 12 to 24 inch wide seams, and you would have one of those assemblies at each end of a 100-foot horizontal lifeline. You could put 2 workers on that lifeline. Just keep in mind, on a horizontal lifeline, you're limited to 412 pitch. It's got to be no steeper than 412 pitch. When you get steeper than 412, you're on a steep roof rules with Ocean ANSI, and you need to switch over to fixed anchor points. So if you have any questions about the product or any questions about the adapter plates, let us know. StandingSeamRoofAnchor.com. Hit us up on live chat or give us a call. Thank you.